Hello friends, myself Assistant Professor Partha Mistry from Electrical Engineering Department, Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. So friend, today we discuss about the uses of lasers. The laser are used in many more applications in day-to-day life, but some few basic applications today we discuss. So let us start it. Number one, that is telecommunication. The laser is much more used in telecommunication application. The light from a diode laser is modulated by the signal that contains the information, which is then transmitted the network of optical fibers. We know the concept of the optical fibers, so the laser can be used for the long distance transmission for telecommunication application. So the telecom companies like Vodafone, Jio, Airtel, Idea, so all have its own optical fiber cabling system. Also the BSNL also have the optical fiber cabling system for the transmission of the data with the use of laser beam. It contains many more information in the form of light. So in telecommunication applications, lasers are used in very important manner. So lasers are used in the telecommunication application nowadays worldwide. Second application is that the medicine. Lasers are frequently used in surgery and medical diagnostics. So today the doctors and laboratory technicians also use the laser equipment for the higher accuracy output of particular patient's activity. So the surgeons can now use the lasers as a bloodless scalpels because the optical beam capturize the incision at its mid. So in medicine, the lasers are also used to improve the surgery applications, and doctors are widely use the laser apparatus for the operation of the patients. So in medical science, the lasers plays an important role. In day by day, many innovation and many devices are developed for the medical appliances. Third one is that military application. It is suggested that in future Star Wars applications, laser will be used in space-based weapons and others. Nowadays, laser guns are widely used in military for accuracy and safety purpose. In some of application, or we can say in laser guns, the accurate output and accurate target we can achieve using the laser guns. So laser guns are very important in military application. So different types of laser according to particular application can be used. Another application, that is fourth one, that is consumer goods. In DVDs, in CD-ROMs, optical discs, etc. all rely on diode lasers. So the lasers are also used in home appliances likewise that. So the diode lasers are also used in laser printers, barcode scanners and security devices. So consumer goods also contain the laser. So the laser applications are very important. So fifth one is that chemical application. Laser can initiate a certain chemical reaction which could not be possible in the absence of suitable photons. So laser can initiate a certain chemical reactions, so which is not possible in the absence of suitable photons. So the photons is needed. They can be utilized for the investigating the structure of molecules. To determine the structure of molecules, the laser is useful. The laser beams are useful. Raman spectroscopy is a method in which the laser have made so much impact that a separate branch named a laser Raman spectroscopy. So in chemical applications, the laser are also important. The role is also important. So these all are the applications of the lasers. First of all, we discuss about the telecommunication. Number 2, that is medicine. In medical application, the lasers are widely used nowadays. Third one is military. Each and every country has the laser weapons. Fourth one is consumer goods. And fifth one is in chemical applications. Thank you.